10 Best Herbs to Grow in Kitchen. Fresh herbs are a wonderful addition to meals, providing great flavor and health benefits. The amazing thing is that there are plenty of herbs you can grow in your house without the need for a home garden. All you need is a few windowsills with proper sunlight, water, and a few plant pots. 1. Basil. Basil is an amazingly versatile herb that can be used for just about anything, from pesto to sauces or even frozen desserts like watermelon sorbet. Basil offers a nice peppery mint flavor and is said to be a powerful antibacterial. 2. Chamomile. Chamomile is an herb traditionally used as medicine due to its anti-inflammatory and calming properties. Chamomile is best in teas to help ease an upset stomach or help you sleep. 3. Chives. Chives have a mild onion flavor that goes great with soups and vegetable dishes. Add chives to butter or cream cheese to make a savory spread. 4. Lavender. Lavender is a beautiful herb that can be used in foods or even for cosmetic uses like homemade face masks. Lavender can help ease anxiety and depression and has anti-inflammatory properties. 5. Mint. Growing mint indoors is actually a better option overall because mint tends to run wild and take up the whole garden. Keeping mint by itself, in a small container, will control the growth. Use mint to enhance the flavor of water or even throw it into a delicious smoothie. 6. Oregano. Oregano is a bright green leafy herb that is traditionally used in Greek or Italian dishes. Oregano has a strong but appealing flavor, so a little goes a long way. 7. Parsley. This bright green leafy herb has a peppery flavor that is traditionally used as a garnish, but can also make a great flavor enhancer to many protein dishes. Parsley is also an anti-inflammatory and high in vitamin C, calcium, iron and fiber. 8. Rosemary. Rosemary is a highly aromatic herb that has wood-like stems and short pine-like needles. This herb can be used by itself as an air freshener or used to enhance the flavor of meats like lamb, chicken, etc. 9. Sage. Sage is an aromatic herb that has a bitter taste that pairs best with dairy. This herb is high in antioxidants and helps improve digestion. 10. Thyme. This herb is used in the Mediterranean, Italian and French dishes that we all love. It's also often paired with other herbs such as rosemary, parsley, and oregano. Thyme has a sweet, pungent flavor and has small leaves with a woody stem. The best part about having an herb garden in your kitchen is that they are readily available. Readily available herbs also have the best flavor and health benefits. Plus, they unleash creative cooking ideas. Do you want to learn about how to grow and prepare your own homemade remedies? Visit the link below in the description to learn more.